Hi friends, welcome back to the video. Hope you are doing great as always. It's a new day, new life and new learning. And today's topic of our conversation is 33, 33 and 33% of your time divided. So this is a basically a rule of your dividation of your time that you have to spend a particular time interval with a particular age gap or age category of persons. So as I do always, let me hit you with an example like what does it really mean. So you'll like be easy to understand these things of time dividation. So as I said, your 33, 33 and 33% of your time has to be divided into three categories. So let's understand the first category. Your 33% of a time must be spent with the people or category of people who are elder than you. And why is that? Because the personalities of persons who are elder than you must be having an experience in their life. Those experience, those who shared with you, you have to gain those experience from those personalities. Observe them very, very deeply. And when I say very deeply, you have to then observe them very deeply. Your awareness level should be high of a point. Observe them, observe their body language, observe their how they do things, like when they have a conversation with other person, how they do it, which kind of words they use, what are their body language when they have a conversation with other people, if they are doing the XYZ tasks, how the way they perform. As I said, it needed very high level of observations and very deep awareness. And what you have to do by observing that, gain it, learn it, have that learning attitude in yourself. Life is all about that only. Life is a journey of like 90 years and you have to learn till your last breath. That what I personally what I believe it. So what you have to do by learning it? Here comes the second categories. First is your elder person, like a person who is like 1 to 2 years like elder than you, learn from them. And the person like who are like second category lies down between like below your age. Suppose you are like age lies down between 21 to 25, so learn from the age group of 26 to 30 and teach the people, all the children or the student who are at their teenage. They comes under like second categories. So your 33% of your time must be spent with this 33% of time. And what you have to do with them, just teach them whatever you learn from your elder personalities. By observing them, just teach them. And believe me, like at their age, like teenager, they are very hungry to learn new things. Their teenage, they are very hungry that how the new things they come into life and new things they bought up and like get into like whole new stuff. Let's take an example on yourself only. When you are at your teenage, you have that hunger attitude in yourself to let me like observe the people who are 3 to 4 years elder than me, what they are doing at that age. Like they have that inner curiosity, like 3 4 years from now I'm doing like maybe I'm living the same lifestyle they are living it, isn't it? So here comes like third category of the time spent. And the third category of time spent of that is 33% or 34, whatever you say, must be spent with the your similar age group. And what you have to do with them, whatever you learn from your elder, whatever you teach from your juniors, just share with them. Observe them, share with them, share whatever you have, and also gain whatever they have. It's kind of quality exchange of knowledge without exchanging of word, but exchanging of or like observation. Observe them what are doing, share them, gain knowledge from them. Isn't it amazing thing? If you able to manage this 33, 33 and 33% of time dividation, believe me, in each whichever your factor you are like presently, you will grow faster than where you grow faster than ever before. So what you're waiting for? Just soon as the video get and try to implement in your life, and hope you get some valuable information. If your answer is yes, please leave a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and the comment section is always on for you guys. Let me know your point of view, what you are thinking about this like 33% of time dividations. And this is Practical Vishal signing off until the unless we meet to the next video.